Hello everyone, welcome to Joyroute. In this video, we will check it out how to check your internet speed on your devices. It can be your laptop, desktop or any other mobile devices. There are mainly two ways to check your internet speed on the PC or any other mobile devices. The first method using online speed test websites and the second method using your routers app. In this video, we are concentrating on using online speed test websites. This is the most common and convenient method. Here are some popular options like speed test by Ookla, fast.com by Netflix, and speed check. The site website address is given over here. So let us practically check it out. So we can visit the website on your PC through any of the browser and click on the status or go button. The website will automatically find the server near you and start testing your download and upload speed as well as the ping latency. The result will be displayed on the screen, typically showing on your download speed, upload speed, and ping in Mbps. So let us practically check it out. I'm using Google Chrome browser. You can type internet speed test in the Google browser, in the Google. All these sites which we are discussing here will list over here, like speed test by Ookla, fast.com by Netflix, and speedcheck.org. These are the three main websites which help us to check the internet speed on your device. So let us check one by one. The first, speed test by Ookla. First link, click on that. So here we have an option to go. Click on this go. It is connecting to the nearby server and checking the speed. Presently, my laptop is bit away from the router. Hence, I'm getting only 17.98 Mbps per second. Even slight variations are there. Yeah. So it gives me 11.11 download Mbps download speed and 17 Mbps upload speed. The first site by speed test site by Ookla says that I'm getting only 11.11 Mbps download speed and 17 Mbps upload speed. So we'll check the same thing in from fast.com by Netflix. Let's check that. So fast.com provides me 15 Mbps download speed and 19 Mbps upload speed. Almost similar to speed test. It is giving nearly 12 and 17, and here it is 15 and 18. Somehow fine, somehow a nearby figure. Now we'll move to the third one, which is www.speedcheck.org. So I'm opening the third site. So here is an option to start test. Click on that. So according to speedcheck.org, my latency is 244.9 milliseconds. Download speed it is 4.23 Mbps. Upload speed is 27.81 Mbps. And it shows the public IP address over here. So this is the way how you can check your internet speed from the help of any browser and internet. So that's it. We'll meet you in another video. Goodbye.